Hey guys, my name's Alberto, aka Destroyer 48. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment like my videos. It is my toy channel, cartoon channel, my video game channel. So here, once again, we got this called the Tactical Storm rifle. I guess you could call it a rifle. Here it is right here. Got a cartridge here that takes 10 bullets. That should be number 9. Now this is number 10. Get the gun. Gotta make sure this is back. Stick it in like this as shown. Right. Now you gotta cock this to put the gun in. To put the bullet in. And hopefully it works. Sometimes it can get stuck. Why did I turn off the light? I can almost fall. You ready? So let's begin, shall we? So y'all can see. One, two, hit the minion. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there you have it. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye.